The highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy S26 and S26 Ultra are generating buzz with leaked photos and design details, hinting at a continuation of their flagship aesthetic. These leaks suggest a clean flagship design, evolving from the Galaxy S25 model, yet incorporating some visually bold decisions. Both the S26 and S26 Ultra are expected to feature a classic high-end slab design, characterized by a flat back and subtly rounded sides. The Galaxy S26 Ultra stands out with a quad-camera design, featuring 3 lenses arranged vertically on a distinct camera island. A separate fourth sensor and an LED flash are positioned distinctly, adding to the unique visual profile of the S26 Ultra's camera array. Leaked photos reveal the S26 in a smooth white finish, while the S26 Ultra is shown in both white and black, clearly illustrating their size differences. The S26 Ultra's camera design is rumored to move away from individually placed lenses to a more integrated approach on a raised island, possibly resembling the Galaxy Z Fold 7's camera bump. Speculative camera specifications include a powerful 200-megapixel main camera, a 324-megapixel lens, and a 50-megapixel 3x telephoto lens. There are also whispers of wider apertures or even a variable aperture system, promising enhanced photographic capabilities. The release of the S26 series is anticipated at the end of February 2026, succeeding the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Under the hood, the S26 series will likely be powered by either the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 or Samsung's own Exynos 2600 chipset. The Exynos 2600, built on Samsung's 2nm GAA process, features a 10-core CPU and a new NPU, promising significant AI performance gains. This chipset will also integrate AMD's RDNA 4 GPU technology, ensuring superior graphics performance for gaming and demanding applications. Thermal management is enhanced with heat path block technology, while the Exynos Modem 5410 offers advanced satellite network support and improved 5G efficiency. The Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, on the other hand, boasts high clock speeds on its Oryon Gen 3 cores, delivering top-tier performance. Other potential upgrades include faster 60-watt charging, a new Flex Magic Pixel display technology, and a possible 5,500 mAh stack battery for the S26 Ultra. All S26 models are rumored to come equipped with a substantial 16 GB of RAM, ensuring smooth multitasking and high performance. Samsung is reportedly collaborating with Perplexity AI for advanced AI features and Noda AI for optimizing the Exynos 2600. The S26 Ultra's display is expected to offer a peak brightness over 3000 nits, LTPO 3.0 technology, and a super smooth 144 Hz refresh rate. These leaks paint a compelling picture of the Samsung Galaxy S26 series, setting high expectations for tech enthusiasts and smartphone buyers alike. Stay tuned for official announcements as we approach the anticipated February 2026 launch, promising a new era of Samsung flagship innovation.